Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today we will talk about Vivo V30 Pro. So first of all, we will talk about this phone body. This phone body weight is 188 gram, front glass back, plastic frame, and dust resistance. This phone display is 6.78 inch AMOLED 2.2 color, so HDR10 plus 120 Hz refresh rate. This phone resolution is 1260 to 2800 pixel. Aspect ratio 20:9. Cheapest magnetic dimensity 8200 4nm. Memory 256GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 12GB RAM, OS Android 14, Fun Touch 14. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.9 aperture, telephoto lens 50 megapixel, and ultra wide lens 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Front camera is 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30 fps. Front camera can capture 4K with 30 fps and HD with 30 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt charging system. Connectivity 5G, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, fingerprint reader, and good sound system. So that was the video for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.